Hello and welcome to the short follow-up video about the Sony CDP-CX450. This is for no other reason but to show you, what's happening inside of that player when you close the door, when it loads, and all those things happen. And then from this side. So it's all loaded up, and if we press now play, okay, let me unload it now just to show you the machinations here. I find it fascinating, a few bits of plastic that do that, and it is reliable. These are the cotton buds that I had to use to get rid of of the old belts, which really perished and turned into goo, and most of those belts are in there, and it's just sticky everywhere. I couldn't wash my hands for it took like 10 minutes, of solvent and alcohol. Well, that's all, folks, and till the next one. Bye-bye.